Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone, your go-to destination for the latest deep dive tech reviews, camera breakdowns, and expert-level insights into the gear that makes your creative life better. Today, we're talking about one of the most talked about releases in the photography world, the Leica Q4. With the official announcement finally here, Leica has raised the bar yet again, delivering a sleek, powerful full-frame compact camera that builds directly on the success of the popular Leica Q3 while bringing meaningful enhancements that could make the Q3 feel outdated. The Leica Q4 isn't just another aesthetic update, it combines the timeless, minimalist design that defines the Leica brand with major upgrades under the hood. This includes a next-gen high-resolution sensor rumored to be over 60 megapixels, likely a backside illuminated CMOS sensor, making it ideal for photographers who demand stunning image quality in every shot. Whether you're focused on capturing sharp, dynamic images in low-light conditions or want exceptional detail for large-format printing, this new sensor delivers. Alongside the sensor, we see Leica incorporate a significantly faster processor that accelerates every part of the camera's performance, from lightning-fast autofocus with advanced eye and face tracking to real-time image processing that brings your photos to life with richer color profiles and reduced noise, even at higher ISOs. The Q4 is aimed squarely at creators who want reliable, responsive performance in fast-moving situations, making it a top-tier choice for street photographers, travel bloggers, and lifestyle creators. The autofocus enhancements are particularly impressive, as Leica seems to have improved subject recognition and precision, making missed shots a thing of the past. The lens remains the same trusted 28mm f1.7 Summilux, known for its optical sharpness and versatility, perfect for capturing vibrant street scenes, environmental portraits, and travel landscapes. It even includes a built-in macro mode, giving photographers the flexibility to shoot stunning close-ups without switching gear. But that's not all. Battery life on the Leica Q4 is expected to take a step forward, thanks to both a more efficient chip and a possibly larger battery. Capacity. Combine that with new USB-C fast charging and on-the-go power options, and you have a camera that's truly ready for full-day adventures. Leica has also made ergonomic refinements that improve grip comfort and button responsiveness, making the camera feel even more intuitive. Rumors suggest a sharper rear display with anti-reflection coating for bright daylight visibility, and possibly even a tilting or articulating screen to enhance usability for vlogging or creative angles. While video isn't the Q4's main mission, you still get high-quality 4K recording suitable for short-form content and hybrid creators who want a mix of cinematic clips and gallery-worthy stills. With all these improvements, the Leica Q4 positions itself as a refined, future-ready digital rangefinder that honors Leica's tradition of simplicity and function over fluff. Whether you're a longtime Leica fan looking to upgrade or a new creator in search of a premium compact full-frame camera, the Q4 hits that sweet spot of style, substance, and speed. This camera is designed to help photographers stay focused on their craft, not buried in settings menus. It's intuitive, responsive, and beautiful, a combination that few cameras truly master. The real value here is not just the specs, but the shooting experience Leica delivers. It's tactile, inspiring, and timeless. Compared to the Q3, the Q4 adds just enough refinement to make a compelling upgrade for serious users, especially if you're looking for better low-light performance, faster real-world autofocus, and a few creature comforts for modern workflows. It's a street photography beast, a travel-ready powerhouse, and a creative tool designed to keep up with fast moments and fleeting scenes. As competitors race to cram more features into complicated interfaces, Leica takes the opposite approach, giving creators exactly what they need and nothing they don't. If you want a premium full-frame camera that keeps things simple but delivers stunning results every time, the Leica Q4 may be your next creative companion. Stay tuned here at Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth reviews on the best mirrorless cameras, digital rangefinders, lenses, and creative gear to elevate your craft. Whether you're into street photography, cinematic travel vlogging, or everyday storytelling, we're here to help you find the right tools and techniques to level up. Make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos on compact camera shootouts, full-frame mirrorless comparisons, and more Leica content, including a detailed comparison of the Leica Q4 versus Leica Q3, where we break down the real-world differences that matter.